Wow, it's a lot of animal, guys. Look at this guy. This is a crab, red crab. And this is a lion. Well, beautiful lion. Whoa, this is a lobster, guys. A very, very big lobster. And what is this, guys? Whoa, this is a lion. King of animal. King of the jungle, guys. Oh, what is this, guys? This is cow. Milk cow. And this is a rhinoceros. Beautiful rhinoceros. Wow, look at this, guys. This is a green turtle. Green turtle, guys. Oh, look at this, guys. This is an elephant. Big animal. Wow, this is a tiger. A wild animal, guys. Wow. This is a sheep. White sheep.
No, 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 no.
And a very fat sheep. Whoa, this is a rhinoceros. And this is a she turtle. A very big sea turtle. Animals, sea animal.